Secrets of the Baby Whisperer. Babies have nonverbal language. As a language, needs, feelings, and unique personality, everyone deserves respect. Nothing compares to the joy and terror of having a baby for the first time. You get to know your baby. Newborns need 72 degrees. Going easy is the main rule to follow. Routine is eating, activity, sleep, and then focus on you. Babies eat 2 to 3 times more as an obese person relative to their size. Also remember the slow technique. Stop, listen, observe, and what's up? The S tells you to curb your feelings. Babies are already communicating at birth. Foster your baby's soothing skills, like allowing them to suck your thumb even at 3 years old. Crying baby does not mean you're a bad mother. In fact, a healthy baby cries. For hunger, fatigue, overstimulation, need to change scenery, burning stomach, too hot, uncomfortable, too cold, had enough, need to cuddle or pat. What they don't mean is as follows. They're not angry with you. They're not sad, lonely, or bored. They're not saying I want to get back to you or disrupt your life. They're not saying I feel abandoned, I'm scared of the dark, I hate my crib, I'd rather be someone else's baby. No, not saying that. Talk to your baby and prep him through what you're about to do when you change his diaper. Name one example. Some problems and causes. Listen, observe, and evaluate. Wipe down the nipples with a clean washcloth after breastfeeding. Avoid bacteria growth, which can enter the baby. Breastfeeding troubleshooting guide. And the nipples, headache, and rash, and what to do. Formulas are usually made with cow's milk or soy. Your baby will automatically learn to suck their thumb instead of using a pacifier. So allow them to listen to their bodies. Chart related to weaning. Avoid overstimulation for the baby. Baby knows more than you think. They can discriminate images, flirt, form expectations, and can remember as early as 5 weeks old. Music to play to babies. Infants love to explore and are thrilled when it can cause a reaction. And some advice for bathing the baby and some bath essentials. Baby massages. Make a sun and moon on your chest and say, I love you. There are different techniques. The little piggy for wiggling fingers. What they need and what you can expect in terms of timeline. Common dad reactions. Sex life is what usually gets very affected. So couple care 101. And sex as it pertains to childbirth with both men and women. Their reactions. Regarding nannies, notice red flags. Ask is she the right person for you. Do a background check, a home visit. Keep your own responsibilities in mind. Reassess her performance and monitor your own emotional reactions. Nanny log if you want to print this out. It's not what happens to you in your life, but how you deal with it. Trauma becomes a distant memory in a matter of months. If there's anything that we wish to change in the child, we should first examine it and see whether it's something that could be better changed in ourselves, says Carl Jung. Make sure the baby's eating for at least 60 minutes. In general, there's no need for a timer, but make sure that the baby's actually eating and not just sucking for comfort. In the case of a woman who fell asleep while nursing, she needed an alarm clock. And don't compare yourself to other mothers. For example, if your baby's more colicky, has more gas. And a troubleshooting guide. If a baby wants to be held a lot, you must have held her a lot in the beginning. To slowly remind him or her that you're always right there for her. I didn't go anywhere. There's no greater assignment and responsibility than guiding and shaping another human being.